ingane izongena ephehlweni ayinalutho iphume seyizithwele. He or she have now been victims of sexual abuse.
Uma sunesisu njani uvukelwa njani usesikhupheni? Angisho ukuthi imizwa yazini sikhona lezi zinto sikhona izinto vele emele uziyenze ezikuthokoza ezizoncedisa ukuthi zisuppresse imizwa nama hormones ukuthi ungahlezi wena igazi lishisa u-erect whether umfana or uyintombazane uyibona leyo nto le.
Siyanibingelela ababukeli be-EcoPoint TV. Igama lami Gogo Khapu, also known as Desiree McDonald. Sengibuye ngabuya-ke namhlanje. Angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba nomkhulu oseke waba khona kuleli khaya lethu, umkhulu Bhubesi. Namhlanje into esizoyenza, we here just to have a discussion, less of ukuthi interview, but understanding ngeindlela ezihanjwa abantu abahlushwa abantu abadala okanye abantu abagulayo ukuthi sizoyibeka kanjani. But mkhulu sisasithokoze khehla emakhosini.
Ngwane.
Siyabingelela, siyajabula ukuthi usivakashele namhlanje. Ngicela nje ukuthi ubingelele ababukeli ubathi kancane kancane ubakhumbuze.
Makhosini, ngiyabonga. Thank you for having me once again. Igama isenguye uThulane wakamdlalose, better known as Umkhulu Bhubesi kena for today's purposes. Still mfana omncane nje Nkosi yami ozivelela ePhimvili. That's where I do most of my work, and I'm happy, man, to be back, especially for just a chilled conversation. Yabo sixoxe dizipholile eziright ayama
ezitheka. Hayi siyabonga mkhulu. Namhlanje besithe asizeke sizokhuluma
right
ngentwaso.
Okay.
The before, the in between, and the after.
And the after.
And the after. More especially sharing each other's experiences.
Sure.
As much as you can share, because siyazi ukuthi ezinye izinto ziyahlonishwa.
Of course.
And bakhona abalalela ababukela ababuye babuza imibuzo that we can't answer in depth, but maybe with this episode they would understand why khona ezinye izinto esingaziphendula. Mkhulu, if you don't mind sharing the beginning okanye asithi waze kanjani ukuthi ayijampile. Sekumele uyobhukuda.
You know, I think I answered that on the very first episode when I came here. First and foremost, Mina, had you told me ukuthi ngizoke one day ngibe Umkhulu Bhubesi, ngabe ngihleke angazi ngayithayibu shobani. You know, but then in my line of work also, because I'm a full-time musician, so I'm exposed to traveling to different provinces, it's different spaces, different gigs, different events. The atmosphere is obviously different from one event to another. So, utufika nje ndaweni, and I found myself, it was so easy for me to tap into a situationship, whatever it is that I'm doing. If I'm here for this and that, it's not only psychological, but for me it became spiritual as well.
Yes.
To say, okay, even when singing, you're not singing just for to volumlomo, but you know, I think one of my prayers has always been to God, ukuthi, through this music, let me preach to your people, let me heal your people. Yakubona kanti hayi yayipheleli lapho, yakubona yathi ke namakuhamba isikhathi. Started becoming sickly, you know, now collapsing on stage during performances. And uyabazi ke nabo labantu ukuthi mase bafuna attention yabo bayayifuna. You know, now you are suffering from a drop, man, from what you usually do, you know, because now weekend in, weekend out, usestage, usestradini, nani. But then uyabona man mase kuyi no, konke ngathi ayisahlangani kahle.
Yeah.
Long story short, I then discovered ukuthi hayi kahle kahle ngiphethwe yini because there was no diagnosis. Bengazi mina.
Yeah.
Angikhulelanga izango mina ngiyazi lento leni ngiyaqala ukuyibona.
Yeah.
Outside from close family members like your mother and stuff like that who have the gift but do not want to engage or partake in gifting or whatever. Hence sila sikhona ibona leyo ndaba leyo. So yeah, kwaba ileyo nto and I then sat with myself. This is now after consultations were done. Ukuthi okay, asiyohlola siyobheka ukuthi uphethwe yini nomntwana. Makuhlolwa kuyabonakala ukuthi hayi isikwembu lesho washibona. Uphethwe amadlozi lo muntu sekumele ayogida nani. But obviously family at that time had a different understanding. I mean ndikhulele ecaweni yamawisile and stuff like that. So mawuzoqhamuka ngezinto ezikanje it's foreign, it's taboo, you understand. Yes, they consulted bazizwela ukuthi kamampela uThulani imela yogida but it's like hayi uThulani hey no izinto zakubo lezi zakuboma mike bese kube khona nabanye futhi abathi ledlozi lisijampe kanjani thina sonke la ekhetha wena yabaza kudlozi like abalifuna like ngathi yazilithathe like ithathe lento lena but again a long story short kwaba yiyo yonke leyo film and to a point ukuthi even my admission esikhupheni how I mean ngazi admit mina esikhupheni ngazi admit literally I remember waking up in the morning doing what I usually do in the morning uyageza kuyadliwa but this day was very different for me because that was when I was somewhat detaching from home knowing and understanding the decision that I've taken uyakubona because now you start feeling like umthakathi because isn't as long endlini and you can't help but feel ukuthi ngathi yimi umuntu obhedisa izinto lana yakubona so better umuntu like day once yakubona that's when I sat with me because now into yokuthi nisazohlala okay kufuneka ini hayithi sithengeni ini washa at that time I felt ukuthi nayo ibhubesi was like hayi ningedla ngesikhathi yabona because honestly it was a very random morning where to a point ukuthi uphuma kwami like ngavuka ababona bahleli babukeli generations ama repeat nani and then mina I've got this backpack. I've got a backpack ngifaka iskipa laphayana ngiyahlala ngiyamayizisa 20 minutes sengifake ibruko sengifake itoothbrush and I was like okay chai nathatha isikhwama ngathi ngizanibona bafethu to a point ukuthi baze banginikeza nemali bathi sicela ubuye nebisi that's all right ngathi ngizobuya nayo yayibona and I got into a taxi I got into that place and that was it. That was it and I took my phone and I was like yeah ngizobabona and stuff like that.
Okay, so ke manje so uthatha isikhwama uyothenga ubisi. Uyafika ke ucisha nefoni and like I can just imagine that impulse and that feeling yabantu abadala yokuthi ayingeke phela sekwanele especially when there are generations that have been missed and I think people don't understand the importance of the skip and then by the time it comes to us say figure
ulaga solo on another level
imashushu abanye abantu will be sick omunye umuntu things will just go wrong and not have an understanding because also you don't have the support. So what did you do regarding having a support structure? Because for me that was very important.
So now it was honestly I won't lie in the beginning it was very difficult because coming from the world that I'm coming from lempilo engibuya kuyona
yaseweseli
ngiyakubona neweseli estrati estrati mina I was that musician like if like bongeke ngithole endlini from Thursday ngiyoze ngibuye Tuesday yakubona on Saturday I'm at a wedding or I'm doing a private booking gupi I was just that artist bengisemsebenzini yakubona so now having to find myself in this situationship yakubona it was challenging mfethu because you'd because mina mangena esikhupheni sangena sithu nomunye umfowethu unkunzi emnyama sahlangana kodwa egate yakubona
nobabili nizokwenza i-admission
so it senze i-admission yayibona ngithi ngifika lapha ngehla kwi-Uber and stuff because I remember I took a taxi to thing and then I had to Uber to that place and then yehliyani ku-Uber nangu unkunzi. So firstly that image iyodwa nje because he was there with his family yakubona bamkhaphile bazomthelela isnafe kahle nangifika ngebackpack eyibona le nto
mahamba yedwa
awuphethanga next awuphethanga kwasani bengaphethanga anything yakubona when I got there fika laphayana kuyaphatla kuyangenwa and stuff. So now obviously once you are now trying to adapt to the space awukwazi ukuhlala uloku uhleli uyi-one umntwana amathonga futhi. Yes, it's good for you for some specific times and stuff but now uthola ukuthi njengoba ngisho ukuthi I mean abanye abantwana that come their families would come visit them ephehlweni and now like omunye sekathengelwe ivesti omunye wenza intontoni ngapha manje uyazibuza ukuthi kahle kahle kwenzakalani lana. So honestly for me ngangena ephehlweni mara ngingakangena ephehlweni it took time because khona ukungena ephehlweni ungene admitted mara awukangeni ungenile mara awukangeni. So I guess those first few weeks was nje leyo nto yokuthi okay what am I doing, where am I'm learning this. Okay akusukugini lana okay uguqa ngedolo hamba ngenyawo phansi uvuka ngobani kwenziwani yonke leyo nto le. So and you know I guess abafowethu esikhupheni we were always there for each other. We had each other's backs, you know, because this sounds very wrong but bekumnandi. It sounds very wrong but bekumnandi. It
felt like home.
Yeah, you know there were times where it did feel like home. Ngiyabona ukuthi hayi manje ngi-right ngi-safe ngi-content yakubona because I think it was only a few months later like 3 months sengiphakathi where I was like okay Gobs asibathinte again because now okay there was that one cousin Xolsile who knew where I was,
knew where you were,
but
knew everything.
could not say because mzala
please
ngiyacela yayibona le nto
yeah.
So manje xoli mangicheck ifone from time to time baba uzozithola kuma daily sign nani ukuthi ulahlekile so do something about this thing or else mina ngizobatshela yakubona. So that was when communication yaphuma again ukuthi hey bafethu mntwana usendaweni kanje kanje and ngaleso sikhathi my mother is all the way in Swaziland. Bona ekuwukuthi huyu umuntu who has an idea of some sort of what's happening. Paternally it's a different case. Paternally it's a different thing yakubona and manje ngisuka from my paternal home coming to this place so everyone is roaming around Tulani kuphi this and that yayibona. Man of song I'm missing gigs now, it's this it's that yakubona but yeah kwaya sayibamba
ibanja nomishisi njalo
ayikhenza njani
ibanja nomishisa. What another thing that I wanted us to speak on mkhulu because mina ngathwasa twice.
All right, twice. Just hey, okay, all right. Izanazi twice really.
Mkhulu, it was not by choice.
It's never by choice.
It's never by choice. Ilento besikhuluma ngayo yokuthi iyazitshwa izitshwe la kukhuphuka khona kukhuphuka amathonga ahlukahlukene. Ngaqala ngamakhosi ngalandela bomndawo.
Okay. But no, at least for you it's easier, it's better, you know, because
kanjani
because awufani nomuntu ekuwukuthi because yabona mina la ngibuya khona as I say ukuthi safika si2 sinonkunzi. I think masifika there was 3 others who were there for some time abalinde ngokugoduswa and stuff.
Yeah.
But ekuphumeni kwami kulela khaya I think sashiya boma 15 yabothokoza if not more than that yakubona. Almost half of them, most of them were people ekuwukuthi babuya ukuyibamba for years abanye babo.
Yeah.
And you come to me laphayana esigodlweni well kababa at that time but ubaba obvious la ngithi bekuhlola thina
Yes, yo.
ngene thina
Yo.
inhlolweni before kuzongena ugobs so mawungena lapha yana uthi uyahlola but uyabona ukuthi ayi
Aye. And you still second guessing yourself at that point.
Ngisazi, uyazibona,
As
and I'm
much as fine, uyabona
Uyabona,
ukuthi,
you know,
and then you're like, ish.
up
what
until kena no gobs sekayangena uyashaya isithembu
Yeah.
ukuthi hayi
Injalo.
okay awusixoxele wenzeni yayibona so why I'm saying it's easier for you is that you it's not like uphinda amakhosi kabili or
Yeah.
kabili
Yeah.
yayibona. It was a transitioning thing ukuthi okay now you are done with amakhosi now you are going to a different tontoni not ufana nomuntu ekuthi mhlawumbe uzoguqula impande or whatever the case is because of whatever the reasons are because zininzi
Yeah, there's a
izizathu
lot, yeah.
zakhona yabona
Yeah.
so yeah hence I'm saying ukuthi hayi noko it's a bit better for you actually it's growth yakubona and futhi ngeke uze uqede ukuthwasa futhi
Never.
ngeke uze uqede yakubona
Never.
yeah
So the thing before I lose my train of thought, what I wanted to ask you, what would you identify as symptoms? We have a lot of people who self-diagnose. Ukuthi, I dreamt of water.
Yeah.
I dreamt of a
Yes.
snake.
Yeah.
I dreamt of ipai.
sure
And then now uza kugogo hapu because lo muntu uyena ozothwasa.
was kena ngibuhle sibakasalidini
Ozothwasa.
Yeah.
So if you had to outline symptoms
yeah
of umuntu nabantu abadala,
Yeah.
which also doesn't necessarily mean ukuthi kumele
Hambukile.
ayothwasa.
Yes,
And there's a thin line elaphayana that we tend to skip.
sure
So the ama symptoms mongas kuwabheke wena ubona what would you name, and maybe get whatever it is that you don't see as a symptom or you've skipped, I'll add on.
okay so for me this thing yingulo yingulo eyilubizo yayibona now I find lento ne flu or nama sinus into ezokuvela kufikele
Ne-hunters.
manje ne hunters lezifikile into ezokufikela manje so obviously I think before getting into the signs it's understanding the lineage qala ukuthi
But sorry
umsusa
to cut you off, Mkulu. You see what the biggest problem there is?
Right.
Even our parents don't understand the lineage.
Yeah, injalo. That's the sad truth. You understand, but hence again, we've got tools and stuff to help us get to the core of the lineage. Hence, mina ngithanda inhlolo ke, mina ngithanda ithambo. Uyakubona because at least ithambo lizokwazi ukusinikeza imap ukuthi okay, sizoze sifike la sikhona sisukaphi. Uyakubona.
Yeah.
So obviously njengoba ngisho ukuthi akusinto equbuka emoyeni ukuthi hayi limngene last week ledlozi uyayibona izinto ezikanjalo so obviously the first signs would be the first acknowledgement ukuthi okay lento ikhona vele
Yeah,
uyabona.
yeah.
But kwabanye bayathanda ukuyiphika vele umuntu azokutshela ukuthi hayi siqala ukuyibona ngawe leyo nto leyo siqala uyisangoma sokuqala yonke into nje
Yeah.
uyazilawula
Qala
thulani
ngawe.
uyayibona so I guess it's that but getting into the signs for me njengoba ngisho ezinye zezinto for me how this thing came about is that sometimes emsebenzini when I'm at the gig performing or whatever sise backstage manje sisihlelele na years yaqala yaxoxa lento la endlebeni yami yakubona and this is at a very young age
Yes.
yakubona I was still in high school at that time iyaqala yaxoxa lento lena yaxoxa izokutshela ukuthi yazi uhapu kanje kanje and obviously I don't know what's happening I don't know what it means ngiyithatha ngiyayiziba leyo nto leyo and now abanye you become sickly in a way some I guess there's levels there's stages to these things because abanye ibashaya ngoswazi oluncane abanye bashaya ngoswazi olukhulu umuntu agcine umthole separalyzed ukuthi uyabona akasakwazi ukuhamba umuntu akasakwazi ukukhuluma or ini but obviously also another problem ukuphupha ibhayi Nkosi yami does not mean ukuthi hamba uyogijima uyothengana namabhayi ayogcwala indlu so uphupha ubuhlali sekumele in no man you see that's where the confusion is yayibona so for me the signs and symptoms would obviously be into internal the signs they are never external yakubona externally mhlawumbe uzokubona mase seliqala likuvuruvale
Yeah.
but these things into engaphakathi because what I always say is lidloti lifana nemntwana yakubona idloti liusana oluncane hence you go to esikhupheni uyokhulisa lo mntwana lona hence mawufika nasesikhupheni uqala udliswe lamagobongi nestam I used to ngithanda ukuyibiza nestam yayibona udlala nestam ukukhulisa lo mntwana lona up until azofika at a certain stage sekakhalela khona into zakhe during tonton yayibona but as for enye nenye ziyahluka iimpawu nantontoni yakubona because angeke ngithi isayini umuntu onamadlozi umuntu obhodlayo hello umuntu uyisayine umuntu onamadlozi umuntu onjani so it's a consultative thing yakubona so that nakhona you understand ukuthi ledlozi okay sharp I mean first and foremost wonke umuntu unalidlozi
yes
let's
exactly.
just start there wonke umuntu unalidlozi yakubona because idlozi is the ancestor right
yes.
When you depart from this earth you become what an angel like what is the angel yiyo lento esikhuluma ngayo
yeah
so now it's now understanding ukuthi okay unomoya unaledlozi lifunani elokwenzana yayibona le nto le hence manje the biggest problem that we have in this day and age is that wonke umuntu uthwasile but akusiwo wonke umuntu osebenzayo and manje ke mabangasasebenzi baqala bayenzani imikhendlo uma kungasiyimikhendlo yibo labo uzobabona abagcwele bazokutshela yonke le insomi zabo nanena yonke lama film and that's why it sometimes get lost yakubona so for me it's a consultative thing yakubona obviously what it also looks like for me is you remember Mzukwana I don't know now but inasisakhula you'd find labo gogo laba abadala baselokishini you know ungakazazi kwawena self ugogo khapha ukuthi kwenzakalani mara kubheke lokho kathi wena sowuthengile uzibuza ukuthi ngithengile uthini manje lo mama lo hayi qhamuka omunye athi hawu siyakhalalisela sekunjalo why because of lo muntu ikhona lento ayibonayo because of experience ukuthi hayi lona sekathengile uyayibona le nto up until wenze njani uyokwenza leyo pregnancy test ukuthi ngempela ngabe lento ikhona na hence manje so wenza njani that's where the consultative business starts to say ukuthi am I really pregnant ngabe leli dlozi likhona na now that okay sharp diagnosis has been made yes you are pregnant ufunani lo muntu lona okay ngiyakuzwa ke namkhulu or gogo ufuna ngenzeni yayibona so manje the problem nowadays is that wonke umuntu ufuna kugcwele red skirt ejardini or angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani but yeah amen hallelujah
because wow red skirt
angazi man
ubone kahle ukuthi you know what
should mongana red skirt awusiyinyanga or mongana iguli awusiyinyanga
no
uyayibona forgetting ukuthi bowungayilanga lokho ephehlweni uyabona hence kwayona inyanga yakho masoyibonile wadibana nayo kubalekile ukuthi during or after the first few months or ntontoni mele kucace kubonakala ukuthi okay what are your strengths what are your weaknesses mawuphuma lana uphuma wenzani okay obviously because of njengoba ngisho ukuthi yonke into is consultative njengoba ngisho ukuthi kwamina esikhupheni la ngathwasa khona ugobela wami mina ugobs bekaqhamuka sekazothi ni right athi hayi sesiqedile uyayibona because of isikolo bese singenile uyayibona that's where I knew ukuthi I mean okay inhlolo likhona ledlozi lethambo likhona ledlozi lensebenzo lomhlahlo nani so it is important kakhulu nakhona ukuthi uthokoza makasesikhupheni abe exposed to ama patients so that azokwazi ukubona ukuthi okay mina ngigude ngabantwana okay mina ngiyayishaya into kanje or ngiyishaya into kanje uyayibona or mhlawumbe wena into zeinsebenza akusinto yakho and that's fine uyayibona le ndaba le amunye umuntu uyangena esikhupheni aphume nje nimvulela indumba yakhe Nkosi yami akungeni ngisho nesigule esiwa kodwa kukhona laphila khona lo muntu bekangayikugidela ukuthi mela zoba ne streamline samathwasa or seyiguli nani kodwa mhlawumbe ebeyolungisa umsamo wasekhaya izinto ezikanjalo or whatever the cases so manje because of the stigma and the competitive ntontoni eyenzakalayo within yonke lento na wonke umuntu ufuna lesigubhu wonke umuntu ufuna mongabuza ukuthi esokwenzani siyenzani but again
no uqinisile lapha mkhulu it's very important to understand ukuthi uthwaseleni yini oyoyenza lapha it could be ukuthi uyothwasela ukuphilisa abantu uyothwasela ukuphilisa wena self
nomndeni wakho
uyothwasela ukuphilisa your lineage and give laba sebedlulile emhlabeni something that they are looking for or abayifunayo. So it's not into, I want to go on to back to the symptoms with regards to the general ones that people have out there. Your dreams, which are very sacred. You shouldn't be telling every Tom, Dick and Harry to
You
talk
cannot, exactly.
Your dreams, you dreamt you were in water. You dreamt of ipai. You dreamt of beads. You dreamt of certain animals.
Yeah.
And then you come to me and I'm like, no, fanele ukuthi uthwase. That's not the case. You have to. It's you having patience.
True.
For you to wait on laba bakuthumayo.
True.
Whether it takes 10 years, you just have to sit and wait and be in the spirit as well, which is something that people struggle with. Ngoba umuntu ngeke akhuleke okanye ngeke aphahle azama ukuxhumana nabantu bakubo to keep that constant connection because sengifuna ukugijima ngebi ngiyothwasa.
Yeah. Ilapho I mean yazi omunye umuntu ngathi ungamtshela yazi mina yabatshela ke umuntu athi
nami ngiyabatshela
like yazi omunye umuntu like honestly now lama dreams lawa I think for me like hey man that's why ngithi njengoba usho na ukuthi into yakho ikuwe understand and kubalekile ukuthi no whoever is advising you advise ngokweqiniso hayi ukuthi manje uphuphe amanzi sekumele what if gosemeli yozigeze mele ugeze
namanzi exactly
uqabene nje namanzi wena sidalwa self uyabona kunaledlozi likubonisa nje ukuthi hayi mina ngisithandela ukugeza omunye ubona inyoka sisi hayi calm down hence njengoba ngisho nami with myself I'll make an example back to myself as well with me kube yiyo yonke leyo nto leyo yokuquleka 8 age mangicula lapha yana amaphupho ilo muntu lokuyarasa lana uhlahlube indaba zabantu nayo yonke leyo nto leyo amaphupho still uphupha this and that and that izinto engakwazi vele ukuzichaza right now and then what did I do you go and consult you consult and then after consulting with a practitioner or a medium or whoever is able ukuthi akuhlahlubele leyo nto leyo then you go and consult with yourself with your ancestors hence kwa mina yathi mangiphuma lapha yana kule yandumba but okay hayi uthulana namadlozi ntonto azange ngigqume ngihambe ngiyongena ephehleni hence ngithi mina ngazibuyela ekhaya ngahlala ukuthi okay kukanje and my thing was that okay mina ngizobona ngani honestly speaking ngizabona ngani ngazi relaxela ngazi up until that particular day yafika yathi mamela ke sekunjalo seyichathi uyayibona so patience ibalekile kakhulu like ibalekile also angithi nani kohapa abantu mabafika lapha endumbeni batshela ukuthi mongangena ephehlweni uzochayiswa imoto angithi batshela ukuthi uzofa wena mongagidi batshela ukuthi ngoba nike mighty warrior kosam so honestly it's patience it's waiting and it's ikuwe man lento lena honestly ikuwe I mean I think with my kids as well akekho engengam okay wathwezohlola lana bese ngabona ngayi weekend sekaza nemithwalo yakhe uyabona yonke le nto leyo firstborn yami bekubani Sibalukhulu siba nayo wafika wa consult ngoba intontoni buyele ekhaya Sibalukhulu wayozi consult naye self ayozikhuphula lokuyana abona umuntu usekathi baba seyichayile sekunjalo ngathi sekunjalo right sharp ke niyazibona izinto ezikanjalo so kubalekile ukuba nesineke with self uyabona because at the end of the day yibo laba bazothi ubuye kuyoliphuzo kwesi4 le gazi or ntontoni because ungena kule phehlo uyaphuma ungene lapho uphume ungene lapho uphume because abanye bazokutshela ukuthi angithi umkhulu wangibonisa lapha yana ukuthi ngeke kule yandleni esihlahle seorange kodwa still umkhulu uyofuthi obuyele ebusuku wathi thatha into zakho uphume lana kanjani kusho ukuthi bekungakabi isikhathi or whatever the case is so kubalekile ukuthi take your time relax do not ungajahi because angazi ukuthi honestly yithi esibajahayo abantu esibahlahlubayo or yibo uyakubona ama cases awafani ikhona umuntu ombonayo ukuthi wena ichayile
kuyabheda
hayi no eyakho seyichayile because bakhona vele ama patient ozothi umuntu umhlahluba or ntontoni bona ukuthi bona lana hayi kokwayi uyayibona leyo ndaba leyo or umuntu ekuthi ufike kwakho I mean uyawazi umthetho weshoba umthetho uyasho ukuthi once laqhubuka emagulubeni ami once lakhulekela lana ichayile usufasiwe izandla neenyawo
Yeah,
ngithi
kuphinde emuva.
ngenza umsebenzi wami mina laphayana bese wena sihleli abantu baziphuzela utshwala kuyagidwa laphayana wena
Yeah, seliyavuka.
hayi sharp kena
suke
uyayibona hayi
sekujabule.
lapho uzifakile uzi-admithile enhle bakhulekele bona self because lokakhwayiza lokantontoni kusho ukuthi
It shows ukuthi
kunenkulumo
bakhululekile
so
khona
hayi,
lapho.
itshayile lapho-ke naye sizobonana after umgidi nefamily nani kodwa wena usayindawo
Yo.
so azifani ngempela indlela zabantu zokungena esikhupheni kodwa leyo ukuthi uqeda kuphuma manje bese wena next week sekunjalo hayi it's fine shuthi happy birthday Beyonce.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Ngasi.
So okay, lokhu ngiyakuzwa because that's also yabona even the voices thing ngokuyifaka ngesilungu mebezothi a person is schizophrenic okanye bipolar or anxiety or depression. So that's also something eyenza ukuthi uhlale phansi and look at self ngaphambi kokuthi ubheke asisho ukuthi you don't take the medical routes of things
yes.
but when you do see ukuthi no okay nothing's coming from this kusaqhubeka sit up and take notice ungagijima uyothwasa ke kodwa but sit up and take notice kube ukuthi noma sekuukuthi sowungenile sowuvumile ukufa sowuvumile ukufa ukuthi uthulana kasekho
hayi nchayile
uthulana kasekho. And now it's a thing of you being humbled. Yabona njengoba wena uyasho ukuthi ay bowusestradini bowuphila impilo yakho.
bani
Mina bese ngikwam with my kids, with my husband.
iyelele
Ngisebenza.
yeah
Sekumele
uyi-independent
ngiyoguqa.
uyohlala emzini yabantu.
Sekumele ngiyoguqa.
And how was that for you? And what was the duration and being away from home and
Yeah.
how was it like? And I mean, because now this obviously usushadile unabantwana awufani nami ongena ephehlweni asesina 21 or
Ngena
22.
kati.
Hello.
It was a difficult transition for me ngabaleka for a good 3 years.
Yeah.
Kube ukuthi same kind of thing.
Sure.
My dad wasn't umntomnyama.
Yeah.
My mom completely sidelined
Western.
izinto zamasiko
Yeah.
ngoba nangu
Praise
umlungu wakhe
God.
yena right.
Yes.
We in Pentecostal.
Oh.
We are yabo we cruising but just not cruising nicely.
Yeah,
So
obviously.
ngiqala ukuyithola I think ngayibaleka for a good 3 years. Eventually the kids started getting sick. And minage, it was a thing yoguti even when we would consult
Yeah.
with my ex-husband kube ukuthi indaba ila kwen ilabantu hamba nabo abantu engibathatha phi
Yeah, ibona ke it's
no
confusing.
yo uma wara sengiyasibuzisa alkwazi athi vele bekhona ugogo kamkhulu owayisangoma wayisuka phi elisuthu ngihlangana mina nabantu
Ohlangana nabantu
baselisuthu
baselisuthu uyayibona ke manje uyayibona
then it just blew my mind kwaba ukuthi they were convinced by omunye umkhulu ukuthi uyakwazi ukulehlisa biggest mistake
ehlisa indlozi
biggest
Okay.
mistake kwabele kwaba ngathi liyathunywa ngathi liyathunywa the following month bese ngisephehlweni ngithwasa amakhosi
right
amakhosi I did for a good 7 months
okay
aba ukuthi ngiyaphothula lapho
right
same thing
yeah
yakho idlozi selivuthiwe
yeah
luckily for me I had a support structure
so
I could also financially
yeah you
because
you,
they are
you could,
yes
yeah, sure
not just me but my ex-husband
your family was in
my parents everybody my brother my
They were involved.
mom my dad
Lucky
even
you.
though he didn't know anything about it but I had a great support structure ngaphothula lapho lapho ke uphothula neshoba elimhlophe udingwa neshoba lehash lana ngizothatha the amount of ikhali that I have it's at some point I thought I was going crazy because these are different people's
baningi labantu
And
and
they've
omunye nomunye
all
ufuna into
just-
yakhe.
come in. And not long after ukuthwasa kwami, esingiyezwa sekuthwasa ingane yamalume, it's like I opened the floodgates. Sekuthwasa omunye, sekuthwasa
kuthiwa
omunye,
uwe futhi oyisusile.
sekuthwasa. And I got asked the same question. Uhlanganiswa yini nedlozi la ngala kube ukuthi uzalwa ngala. Not understanding the dynamics of ukulotsholwa, ukhishwa ekhaya, ungeniswa.
Another thing.
The implications of that are real and people don't understand it. So I went through that. I think it was probably a month or two later that I dreamt of myself traveling. Angaze ngiyeke emhlabeni yalingana.
Yeah.
I had gone as far as Mpangeni, I think.
Okay.
Traveling, kwaba ukuthi Khwenyana angathi indlela ikhomba ngala. I still remember the trees. Getting there.
And
Sesiyafika.
abantu isineke, I'm sure siloku siyasho ukuthi hayi mara kanti ayipheli lento yakho.
And that was the case as much as he tried, shame. Kwaba ukuthi this isn't what I signed up for. And nasekhaya futhi abazenzi izinto zamasiko. So it was
But in the beginning he was patient
it
and
was
he
a
was invested.
whirlwind. It was a whirlwind. Ngizibona ihlahla fine sihambe sifike ePhelandaba.
Yeah.
Kashumla Makati kaMthembu.
Right.
Ngene kuhlolwe asho ukuthi kade ngilindile.
Yeah.
Uvalo lathini lapho. I'm in the middle of nowhere.
Awuyazi yonke le.
Yabona eManguzi Mozo za ePhelandaba Manguzi. You're almost in Mozambique lapho.
Almost, yes. Amper. Like now uyayibona nazi intaba lapha yana zokahlamba.
So for me that was like yabona at least it was easier ngithwasa eNgolweni, which I wasn't far from where I'm from.
So now you had to stay and remain
I have
there.
to stay there for months.
Another thing.
I'm away from my family. Angina phone. Ngiphatha uBobobo. Nakhona it's very, very strict, and then people feel like I'm too strict ngamathwasa. Kube ukuthi vele
Like
idlozi likhuliswa kanjalo.
That's how it should be.
And even with you switching off your phone,
Yeah.
there's a reason wenze leyo nto.
So yeah, I mean njengoba usho, but okay, we'll get to it. Yabona.
So kwaba ukuthi okay fine, mele kube nje kangeniswa ngavuma. Had to watch my family drive off
Yo.
and leave me there.
Yes.
Lapho ngiyahamba ngine-dread,
Yeah.
ngisanda kuyi-crochet,
Yeah.
inhle, i-neat,
Yeah.
badonsa i-razor, itsumani,
So at the, manje le ntwaso le yesithu yipi lena manje?
uthokoza umdawu.
Uthokoza. So you had to let go of the hair.
Udzumani ekhanda, itsumani ekhanda ney'mpiti. Kwafika omunye ugogo wasenza iy'mpiti.
Yes.
Besiba u-2, I
Yeah.
think at the time.
Yeah.
Senza impiti manje, you must maintain this thing that is so messy. And Desiree is very frustrated right now because this is not my life.
Yeah.
How am I here?
Yeah. Like hello, Felicia.
Kanjani. Eventually, it was a thing of coming to self and understanding that this is your journey. And I embraced it with everything. Yabona ngesikhathi ngiparola, my family came. My brother was there, my mom was there, my aunts all came. Some came from the Eastern Cape. Like I say, my support structure was there.
Yes, sure.
Happy Naye and his brother and his friends. So nje bekulandelani convoy. So I knew, and the second I saw them come in, sekumela ngithi phane manje mele uyogijima, mele uyovusela, mele babingelelwe ngedlozi.
Yes.
And I was like, them seeing me like that.
Yeah.
Kube ukuthi ukuparola is.
And I'm sure bongekho ngaka ne. Sure lingana nami ngokomzimba. I know, trust me, yeah.
I was wena. So then kwaba ukuthi ngiyawenza lo msebenzi for the weekend.
Yeah.
Ngiliphuze ngiphalaze
Eish.
bese ngiyagoya ke for the week.
Yeah.
we indoors for that week.
Sure.
Knowing ukuthi weekend bayangigodukisa siyaphi siyakabo malume isigodlo sami sisekhaya kabo ma. Siya Eastern Cape.
Yeah, mina. All right.
Siyafika kwenziwa umsebenzi khona izinto abazenzayo ukuthi ngingalimali ngoba obviously khona bangilinde ngamehla bovu.
Obviously.
Get there. But being ePhehlweni for me was what made me as humble as I am, I feel. Because kwawukuthi noma ukhuluma nengane kumele uguqe. Noma uhamba nogobela.
Hello.
Ugobela memile udonsa ucansi lakho cause alisali.
Uyayibona le ndaba.
Uyaguqa, you don't stand.
You don't.
You not sitting on furniture. You are up ngo-3 before uqala ukuhamba abantu. Uyaphahla, uyageza, ugeza outside.
Yayizwa le weather wethithini la ngaphandle.
Ushiswa ilanga. When I came home, my gran literally cried. Ebengangiboni indlela ebengimnyama ngayo. Because angithi kumele niphume nihambe niyogubha imithi.
Obviously, kumele kuyofuna impande nayo yonke leyo nto leyo.
So it was, and it wasn't, a lot of people go through traumatizing experiences ePhehlweni.
True.
Where abuse takes place. For me, it wasn't. Shame. Unkosikazi ka Shumi was a gem.
Okay.
She made sure ukuthi we eat.
Okay.
We weren't doing other people's washing.
Best.
We weren't cleaning and babysitting children. Besho kahle ukuthi we're not there for that.
That's
We're
better.
here to learn. We're here ukuthi siphakamisa amathonga kithi. Sikwazi ukuphuma. And she wants to be proud of us one day. So it wasn't a bad experience for me. It was just an adjustment.
An adjustment, ne?
Yeah.
Okay. But you can't say it was not a bad experience. I mean, obviously it was not a bad experience, but it was not a good experience either. Honestly, I feel like if maybe some other time, we were to sit down and be like, Bafethu mara, we are as lentes buya. Because you know what, for me, going into that world, coming from where I was coming from, it was a lot.
Ne?
Because njengoba ngisho ukuthi ngangena ePhehlweni mara bengingakangeni. Ngisizothanda, ngisizothulana ya. Thola ukuthi ya enhlekazini usama ngeenyawo ebaleni uvuka late ngo6 or whatever like awukangeni
Until it hits you.
abheka sizofika lesa siboko
And it
nesifika
hits you.
kayi1 noma sesifike lesa siboko manje uyabona ukuthi enhlek akusukusekhaya lana. So honestly, and which is why I think post Phehlo it is very important for individuals who are coming from that place to invest in things like therapy.
Yeah.
To invest in things like therapy, because mina nginachomi ebunyangeni anginamngani wesaya indaba anginayo ukuthi manje ukuthi ngizobulunga uphuma lana ngiyokhala kugogo bani or isiwehla hayi futhi neindaba zokungena uphuma endumbi ziyangihlula. Instead what I do have is a therapist. And then without that woman angazi ngabe indumba yami ishile or something, because comes a time where bayibona ukuthi I think manje angisakhoni.
I can't.
Angisakhoni uyayibona. But also the good side of iPhehlweni awusakhoni because of the traumatic experiences that you had, but at the same time uyakhona because iPhehlweni taught you to con.
Yes.
Yeah, but because what I always say is with me iPhehlweni lathatha uthulani lambikela lakhulisa indoda.
Ne?
Yayibona leyo ndaba leyo to a point ukuthi kwamina gogoma intshayelo uma uthi uyafundisa uyacika kumele kube nomahluko phakathi kwedlozi nomuntu nayo yonke leyo nto leyo. So it really is an experience uyabona. Yeah, back then it was an experience from Uthokoza saying ukuthi kukanje nakanje, but now coming back ekhaya, I mean, you know kumnandi ePhehlweni when you still have abafowenu. You know, uNkunzulana noZamilulana. Yabona wonke umuntu la.
And how was it coming home?
Sikadene. Yabona akekho uzobhayizisa omunye yakubona. But now coming back home, actually going back home. Wobia manono, wobia lekhaya, wobia. And now umgidi is on Friday. Gumnandi usindlini. Yakubona but usemsebenzini because umgidi usese on.
Yeah.
But yabona leyo Sunday leyo or leyo Saturday ntambama. Yeah, umuntu maseka ngina emotweni and you're like ayibo ngathi nawe ungayongena uthi sekahanjwa kanti melusale manje. Melusale and now you literally feel naked. Uziswa unqunu ukuthi hayibo ngiyiwani kamampela and that's where reality hits in. And manje mozofikela endaweni ezifana nabo Soweto tinesihlale Soweto kena once kwazwakala ukuthi se ninyama fresh ngalela makhetla amadala abasitutsi banani
and bayatestana
bakututsi banani if not even lamakhetla labo gogo labo
bayatestana
yo uyayibona yonke le nto le. So now that is when now you need to apply iphehlo because honestly iphehlo liqala maso uphumile ephehlweni
hayi ngaphakathi
mose sephakathi yazi yakhala and stuff but iphehlo liqala and obviously sisakhula nathi esikhupheni we'd have abakhulwana who would come and tell us ukuthi hayi nina niboni next ziyakhala lengaphandle and you'd be like uyahlanya lo muntu uyagula but manje when you actually come out now you see ukuthi kahle why bengivuka ngo3 futhi 3 was a luxury 2:30 you must be up because u3 o'clock isikhathi la mele likhuphuke khona idlozi hayi ukuthi uvuka usayogeza ukhana usaya emagobongweni na 3 on the dot.
Lapho people don't understand why I struggle to sleep. Because
it's the body clock.
5 hours
hayi luxury ngathi ngento wrong yenzile I can't sleep for more than that.
2:30 kanje lapho uzoqwasha ke after if uyavuka ke uvuka uphahle okanye ukhuleke
masobuya yakubona. Well for me ke yeah it was like that up until sengiqala ukushayela ejardini yakubona when now sekungena abantwana obviously manje u3 o'clock sekowena nonke yakubona sekuba leyo mpilo leyo but honestly when you look back at what used to happen esikhupheni it looks like abuse yakubona it feels like abuse yakubona and for some maybe it actually is abuse yakubona because my experiences with our fun
at all
yakubona our fun but me I'll always be grateful for la ngakhulela khona yakubona and actually for the time engafika ngayo kuleyo ndawo le because timing is important you understand. So mina la ngakhula khona ngakhuliswa ubabami obviously but now with ubabami her firstborn son inyanga ethwasini yakubona and then bese kulandela the second born daughter who just recently initiated after me sengiqedile and stuff but even the third born son bekathwasile naye uyakubona so ngifika mina ukuthi imambane eminyama iqeda kubuya esikhupheni uyakubona and now so I had angazi ngizothini but I felt ngizizwe ngibusisekile man to have almost 3 gobelazi in one space because uncela lapha uncele lapha uncele lapha uyakubona mina bengisithanda isikolo like
you have to be willing though
you have to be
willing to learn
yakubona and I think that's also what makes me what I am today because of what I was esikhupheni yakubona mina at first uGobus Makazothi of tech it feels like uthini manje uyangizonda don't kanti mawuloku uya ngokuya I'm not saying ukuthi ufuthe ko right or whatever the case is but uyabona na ukuthi kahle lana akusetshenzwa ngothulane la kukhuliswa lebhubesi and
awuncenga wathi
uyayibona leyo ndaba leyo ufoka kusukugini lana uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So now when you come back and you look at it mina gogo ngikutshela kunandoda kunamfazi ongamelana nami hayi ngoba ngizitshela in but because of ngisetis ngokuthini ngikhulile i-training ngayithola uyayibona leyo ndaba leyo mina that's what I always say to people or these new initiates abantwana mabangena ukuthi the only way to survive ephehlweni number 1 is to accept ukuthi usetshele
once
usetshele because mothi uyabheka ufasa izandla nenyawo honestly speaking ugaxele uyayibona leyo ndaba le. Number 2 usebusojeni akudlalwa ke lapha yana yabona i-training yase-military ingenye indlela to a point ukuthi if le phone mele ihlale kanje once yahlala kanje usenkingeni uyayibona le ndaba le so once ungayifaka leyo nto leyo and then also understand number 3 and last ukuthi uyihlanya
kahle
gogo uyihlanya yabona indaba but now they understand it because even my kids when I tell them ukuthi wena umele understand ukuthi uyihlanya uphile njengehlanya then uzoba right because if wena uzozibona ungasihlanya then I mean for basic things khona umuntu oyekela ilikuba yekela ingubo zakhe nemibhede yakhe for ukulala phansi emacansini and then so lala phansi emacansini akulelwe wena 3 o'clock uvukile yo awuhlanye awuhlanye abantu balela lapha wena ubhizi ushaya namabhaketi udlala namagwebu uhamba ngenyawo so once ungazibona ukuthi hayi inhle mina ngihla that's yabona le into eyangisiza ke because manje uthi uhamba uye emakuleni uyothenga uyenza ntontoni whether ubaba ukuthumile or whatever the cases la ikhanda lakho lokubhizi resathana neyibona la ikhanda lakho lokugijimana nemfihlo asihamba kancane siyavuma phezulu uloku trainer lethu umuntu ubhekile uthini uyahlanya lo yana so if uzosaba le nto ukuthini umuntu ngibhekile uyofika kudala la bese uthi bakuncintshile kanti hayi because ezinye inyanga zinjalo kamampela abanye bakugobela abalandelelani uzokutshela nje ukuthi gogo ngo3 o'clock kumele uvuke wenze 1 2 3 4 5 6
if you don't okwakho lo
angeke azazihluphe ngoba at the end of the day angeke inkomo yakho uzoyibeka la kodwa ukuthi wena what becomes of you then
abanandaba
ayikhotha ikhahlela so honestly ibalekile indaba ye-review ukuthi nawe before uzoyogxeka ugobela ukuthi mara mina ngisebenzi mina in especially boziphethe njani
exactly
uyayibona yonke leyo nto leyo so yeah.
And when it comes to the side of abuse, we've heard a lot about abuse and amathwasana being ill-treated.
Sure.
With regards to the abuse, for me, it differs.
Yeah.
What you define as abuse.
Yeah.
Because if you're going to come in and you feel like the fact yokuthi uyaguqa is abuse, the fact yokuthi ulala phansi is abuse, the fact sizokhulisa idlozi la bowuyapi.
And speaking of abuse, I feel like the biggest and angazi unspoken about or ntontoni, I feel like the biggest abuse for uThokoze Phehlweni ile nto le.
Kakhulu.
Not yena aziyenza but hey man, that's why lobunyanga bulimele nayo yonke lento ilimala because mina ngangena esikhupheni bengalazi nokuthi gobongo yini. I never knew what it looked like mara ngena manje ubhale ku TikTok.
Uzoyithola.
Uyakubona and who are the uploaders of this content? Yilabo gobes laba. So mina I feel like yabona if ledlozi la ngibhatreka manje ngo-2026 hayi gogo ngabe I'm sure ngisinikele hecto ebazalwaneni just ukuthi nje angifuni because of it's scary. I mean ngize kwakho ngizolashwa ledlozi leli when you see it fit ukuthi ngiyinto yokwenza content abothokoza bayahla bagoqile bayahla
uyogeza guys kwayile ukuthi uyogeza abantu like uyabashutha
ngisakhuluma ngothokoza ke lo ngakwazi ukuzikhulumela because angeke athi babunga ngishuthi naba bantwana bami bayadla babhekeni bogogo like kwenzakalani so if we gonna speak about abuse I feel like abuse number 1 yokuqala yiyo yona leyo nje ukuthi hayi come on whether consent is given or not ifamily yalabantwana ithini uyayibona so there is abuse number 1 lokho kuguqana nani ngiyakubona hayi ngiyakubona yakusi abuse akunafokola akuna next lapho but nje yonke lento leni yenzakalayo there is the biggest abuse for me but yeah aqhubeka
kube ukuthi I hear that ne abuse kwamathwasa kube ukuthi the abuse that comes ukuthi ingane izongena ephehlweni ayinalutho iphume seyizithwele ingane ingene ephehlweni iphume ayinalutho iphume and he or she have now been victims of sexual abuse.
Big mama. Hey.
And lapho because we do not have I don't want to say platforms, but if you aren't a part of an association, it's not easy for you to be heard, right? So what happens to those, or what happens in those instances, or what happens to labo gogo na labo mkhulu?
So for me, igabili. Yakubona. Igabili because of at all the time sizobheka lenyanga lena sizobheka ubhubesi ukuthi ubhubesi uhlukumeze lo mntwana ubhubesi ulale nalo mntwana or whatever, or even if it's not me olele nayo or whatever the case is, but ngiya kwinkulumo yakho yokuthi uthokoza ungene la kwami awunalutho.
Yebo.
Uyakubona, awunalutho, uphuma sonesisu njani, uvukelwa njani usesikhupheni. Angisho ukuthi imizwa yazini zikhona lezi zinto, zikhona izinto vele emele uziyenze ezuthokoza ezizoncedisa ukuthi zisuppresse imizwa nama hormones ukuthi ungahlezi wena igazi lishisa u-erect whether umfana or uyintombazane. Yibona leyo nto le, but iyathusa kamampela into yokuthi number 1, okay, mina yazi ngiyasaba zonke lezi zinto lezi, mina yazi bengizisaba kamampela, like honestly speaking, into yokuthi uzovukelwa bese ufuna ukulala nomfweni lana or whatever the case, because honestly angeke all the time sithi phutha likagobela. Mina ngizokwenzela another example lapha eSnake Park la bengikhulekele khona, we had uthokoza omunye, uthokoza came there and now uzothwasa shaphu, uzothwasa ugeli wangena esikhupheni, hayi uyangena eshunini njengoba ngisho ukuthi awuveli ungene, yabona, uyangena ugele eshunini, uyangena ugele eshunini, and at the time yimi umkhulwana wakhe, yakubona, kuleyo group leyo. Now umthetho uyawuthola, umthetho uyawunikwa, uyakubona. Now bese kube into yokuthini, Thokoza baba ngizobuya late namhlanje emsebenzini, kumele ngiqale ngidlule ngilanda ubaba sekhaya ngimdrop endlini bese ngikhana ngizoze esikhopheni. Kumele ngithini mina ngugobela wakho? Kumele ngithi hayi ungayi or yena fika manje or in abalawuleki labantwana, honestly speaking, abalawuleki endaweni yokuthi umuntu afocus esikhupheni uzokutshela ukuthi yo yazi ngiphuphe ubaba sekhaya or ngiphuphe iboyfriend yami ime nozibani ban o kahle kahle senzani lana. So honestly indaba yokuthi ungene unje waphuma okanje, it's a very broad ntontoni ekuwukuthi we cannot point fingers ukuthi ugobela uyo wrong because or uthokoza uyo or wrong, unless if ugobela nyanga ndini or whoever wasemagcekeni uye mhlawumbe ohlukumeze uthokoza, leyo rape. Uyakubona, i-rape ihlukile, i-rape uyakubona, because angeke wena uhabhu umdala kangaka ufike lapha bese uzozwa ngami ukuthi ngikutshela ukuthi ungakhuluma ukuthi umithe kanjani ini kanjani, uyayibona leyo nto le. But again because of sometimes mina ngugobela ngiyaphuma ngiyendaweni zami or ngiyigulini zami or ngiyesontweni or ngiyenza whatever ngiyoyenza, wena usala uyazenzela umathanda, because abanye uthola ukuthi asithi ngizele nginabantwana abenyama bami, yakubona, and now they are grown or they are my brothers in the yard or whatever the case is.
Exactly.
If wena ungayazi indawo yakho ezuthokoza ukuthi uno, because I don't think ukuthi umntanami or umntana kithi angayosukeleka nje ayoshela ithwasa, because iqala lana mina ngiqala bona laba bele ba understand ukuthi labantwana laba you must take care and protect
your
them.
siblings.
You awumbheki awumsheli uyayibona leyo nto leyo. So manje makuwukuthi wena angazi ugcine sowungena embhedeni kaSibusiso kanjani, because mina if kunjalo ngiexpect ukuthi mangibuya ungitshela ukuthi baba uSibusiso ungidonsile wangishaya gcine sekangifaka nepipi ekhekheni. If that's not the case ukuthi uSibusiso nililo kwasha kwacima ini, because uSibusiso angeke akukhombe ngesibhamathu ungamtsheli babakho or ungayenzi in. So honestly siphendula sithini ke kanjani, ngithini kwifamily yakho mina, mele ngithini? So uyayibona ukuthi nayo le abuse nathi siyahlukumezeka singabogobela sometimes
kakhulu,
uyakubona. Wesi uthokoza ozoyongena embhedeni wakho wena gobela, wakho wena Gobela awuchithe owakho umuzi lo muntu uze ngokuzothwasa lana mara akasathwasa sekabheka umyeni wami or sekabheka umfazi wami
sekabheke ukuthi uya ngale
uyayibona kanti vele lo wakwami ngiyamazi vele ukuthi hayi igate uyayithandela uyakubona igate uyayithandela and there's nothing I can do about it mina ngizokhuza wena ngitshele wena ukuthi uno and if lo baba wakwami angasondela enze you must do 1 2 3 4 uyakubona le ndaba but wena ukumishini yokuthi vele uzokhipha mina lana uyayibona le ndaba so there are many explanations kulezi zinto lezi so ngeke sithi uba no wrong uba no ngekho wrong uba no right uba no wenzini yakubona so it's a very broad one inabile kakhulu but honestly kwezinye zezinto yibo laba abazenzayo yabona futhi laba abasebenzayo and anginankinga yokusebenza mina vele ngiyithanda kanjalo ngizwa noThokoza uzohlala ejardini lami ilanga lonke yayibona it's enough ukuthi uthwasa la kwami but mina inhlanhla leyo nje yakubona 3 o'clock kuyavuka kagezwa I mean kuyahlehlwa kwenziwa whatever lenzwayo mayithi 6 o'clock baya refresher zonke zifaka ama weaves emsebenzini but ukuthi lena ngaphandle wena udlule wayenzani maziyele eMcDonald's wayodla pizza wayenza yangithi baba kabuna ngiyena ngengize ngizihluphe ngilimalaphi
ngoba usuzenza uzimosha
uyayibona so ezinye zezinto honestly speaking intshayelo indaba isentshayelweni because if intshayelo ingenile kimi then why would I go ngiyozilimaza because
exactly
I mean ngisuke ekhaya ngithi ngizoyenzana I'm a sacrificial lamb
you setting yourself back
iyazibona ngizozinikela and then only for what ukuthi ngizothi sengihlele 1 year 3 months lana bese mina sekumele ngiyimosha yonke lento ngenxa yokuthi itotolozi beyivukelwe ngalelo langa lelo hayi
hayi mkhulu hayi singahlala ilanga lonke sikhuluma ngale topic kuningi kodwa ke bengisacela ukuthi sibambe lapho sizobuye sibone lokho esingakuthintanga sobuye sithinte kona besicela ke mkhulu ukuthi ubazise ababukeli bethu ukuthi utholakala kephi kanjani usinike nama phone number ukuthi mekhona nje lo obona ukuthi mele ngiye lapha kuBhubesi akwazi ukukuthola.
No, thank you so much for having me nakubabukele ekhaya for tuning in. Ngegama uBhubesi insizwa kaNgwenya umzingelo ngazingelo zingeladla shidinganya nabuye ezinye licansa ligazi ngokuhlala ngitholakala khona lapha yana Johannesburg in Soweto at a township called Pimville zone 4 yeah ungangithola nje kulezo kundla zokuxhumana zabo TikTok kanje bathu bani uthulane sabela but alternatively you can find me on 060 356 1687 Thokoza
Asithokoze mkhulu siyabonga
ngani
ukuthi uhlale nathi us able to have this conversation which is very important siyabonga babukeli beEcoPoint TV sijabula ukuthi benikwazi ukuthi nitune in namhlanje cela ukuthi ni subscribe ni like ama video kube ukuthi niyasilandela nikwazi ukubona when we drop different videos senizosala kahle ke siyabonga sithokoze